Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down one of the most common engine codes, P0171, System to Lean, Bank 1. If your car is idling rough, losing power, or burning more fuel than usual, this is a code you definitely need to understand. Let's jump right in. P0171 means the engine is receiving too much air and not enough fuel. This creates a lean air-fuel mixture. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. When the mixture is too lean, the ECU triggers P0171 to protect the engine and maintain performance. If your vehicle has the P0171 code, you might notice these symptoms: rough idle or shaking, weak acceleration, hesitation when pressing the gas, increased fuel consumption, engine misfires, a strong fuel smell. These are all signs that the engine isn't getting the proper mixture. There are several reasons why your engine might run lean: vacuum leaks, dirty or failing mass airflow sensor, weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter or injectors, faulty oxygen sensor, cracked air intake hose. Most P0171 cases are caused by simple air leaks or a dirty MAF sensor. To diagnose P0171, mechanics usually: 1. Perform a smoke test to find vacuum leaks. 2. Inspect the air intake system. 3. Check fuel pressure. 4. Clean or test the MAF sensor. 5. Check for clogged injectors. 6. Review real-time fuel trim data. This helps identify whether the problem is on the air side or the fuel side. Most P0171 fixes are simple and affordable. Common repairs include sealing or replacing vacuum hoses, cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor, replacing the fuel filter, fixing intake leaks, replacing weak fuel pumps, cleaning fuel injectors. Once the air-fuel ratio is balanced again, the code usually disappears. And that wraps up our quick guide to the P0171 code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More simple car code explanations are coming your way. See you in the next one.